Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll be unboxing these wall stickers which are like cartoonic. Actually I ordered two Jaamso Royals multicolor cartoon animal train. This is the animal train one. This is the wall stickers, okay? It will have self-adhesive, so you don't need to apply any gum or glue or something like that, okay? Jaamso Royals all and tree kids wall stickers for kid, and this is 60 by 90 centimeters and this is 50 by 70 centimeters, and this is animal train is 226 and this is nearly 200. And why I am recording this video is just to show you the quality, means how it is looking, whether they are looking like which is shown in the picture, okay? Let us just open this. The packing was really good, well protected, okay? There is a roll inside it. Let us check this. This is the inside package, so let us check how this is looking. Okay, look at the animal train first. This is 50 by 70 centimeters, okay? Maybe, yeah, 50 by 70, okay? But I am not very much satisfied with this. I thought a little bit good quality like cartoonic. And let us check at the other one, and this is looking premium and more cartoonic. Actually both are from the same brand only, Jaamso Royals, and this is the exact look what I want, exact look and finish. When this goes onto the wall, this looks pretty premium and good looking, and this is just okay. I'm not that satisfied, but it's just okay. Between this is actually costlier than this one, okay? Anyway, what I'll do is at the end of the video I will be sticking this onto the walls and I'll be showing you the final output, how it is looking, and then you can comment your opinions on this. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.